All right, so I'm going to show you how to use the calculator after you read the notes of me being petty. I'm using the best phone known to man, which is the Galaxy. It is an Android, and you can hate your life later. All right. So when you want to take the square root of something, again, you hit the second. The second button is right here. And if I want to say the square root button is underneath the x squared. You see that? X squared, Kobe. All right. And so if I want to take the square root of 25, I just hit 25. I just press 25, everybody. And then you'll get 5. If I want to take the cube root, because this is the funny one. Well, say for instance, I want to cube something. So if I want to say 3, I hit the 3 right here, 3. The up arrow is right underneath the clear button, 3, and it looks like this. Your calculator will go automatically up to the exponent. And then I hit 3 for cubed. So 3 cubed. And I press enter. That's going to give me 27. So what if I want to take the cube root of 27? To do that, you must hit, where's the button at? I know one way you could do it, but there's another way. All right, anyway. So you want to hit the 3 because you're going to make the cube root. Remember that 3 when I did Desmos? You hit math. And no, let's clear that. Forget that, y'all. So there's already a cube root here. So math, you know how we get the fraction. We're not going to hit fraction. We'll go down to 4. That's the cube root. So you can hit 4, the number 4, or, oh, I was like, that's the wrong finger. The number 4. I was like, that's not the 4. Okay, you can hit the number 4. I'm messing this all up. So you can hit the number 4. Or you can go down to press 4 and press enter. And that's the cube root, and you can do 27. So I'm going to do that again. So you go to math. Something's wrong with me. And then you hit 4. Wrong. There we go. 4 is right here. And then it'll bring up the cube root and say, for instance, it was a cube root of 96. And then it'll be 4 point. Remember, rounding to the nearest tenth. 4 point. 4 point. Y'all see how my Galaxy cleared that up? You know what I'm saying? You're right. 4.6. All right. So hopefully this brings humor in your life. All the notes that I put up here, I mean every last bit of it. So cube root again, hit math and 4. All right. I didn't put anything in there, so that's why I did that. Math and 4. Anytime you want to get something off your screen, everybody, hit second and then quit. It'll take you to your home screen. So if you click something like, oh, I hit program, how do you get off of this? Second, and then quit. All right, square something, 4 squared. Square root of 4, 16. Second, x squared, 16. All right, so that's that. That's how you use the calculator to find the cube root, square root, squares, and cubes. Okay, I'm done.